My son blowing up a beach ball says, "As soon as I am done, I'm gonna catch my breath." I was walking barefoot on the beach and stepped on a rusty piece from an old video game. Now I have to get a Tetris shot. We got a new dog and I named him Shark. I took him to the beach, lost him for a little while, and well, things got awkward real fast. What do you call it when you drop a waffle on the beach? San Diego. What washes up on tiny beaches? Microwaves. What do you call a girl who lives in the beach? Sandra. I saw a guy at the beach yelling, "Help, Shark, help." Madness, I just knew that Shark was never gonna help him. My friend was mad at me because I didn't want to join him at the nude beach. He said I was too close-minded. What did the ocean say to the beach? "Can I crash here?" The beach said sure. When I took my pet clam for a walk on the beach, the lifeguard told me it had to be on a leash. It was really tough walking with a pulled muscle. I am really embarrassed that I forgot to bring sunscreen to the beach. Boy, is my face red. I tried to start a beach footwear business for one-legged people. It was a flop. What happens when you take a nap by the ocean? You wake up with resting beach face. More dad jokes are coming up after this quick break. I hope the Kardashians don't go to the beach this year. All we need is more plastic in the ocean. My daughter collects stuff from the beach, and her playground friends buys them from her. She sells seashells by the seesaw. Made it finally to the beach after lockdown and joyously shouted, "Hey! Long time no see." My good friend drowned while at the beach last month. I tearfully placed a life preserver on his coffin at the funeral. It's what he would have wanted. What does a man with 2 left feet wear to the beach? Flip-flips. Anyone know why Ariel, the Little Mermaid, wears seashells? Because B shells are too small and D shells are too big. Sally quit her seaside seashell business and bought a Batteries Plus franchise. Now she sells seashells by the seashore. How do seashells hide from predators? Camouflage. It's difficult to say what my wife does. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have an extensive seashell collection. I keep it on beaches throughout the world. If you put a seashell to your ear, you can hear the soothing sounds of me telling you in a very agitated tone to stop touching my decorative seashells. A friend once told me, you can't go around saving everyone. They have to learn to save themselves. Great friend. Terrible lifeguard. Lifeguards are not trained to be fishermen, but to be fishers of men. So how come the scientist avoided the boardwalk? Because of the peer review. I'm Montgomery Jones. We're on a mission to spread the laughs and groans far and wide, so please do us a favor and share just one of these jokes with your family and friends today. Thanks. Looking for the gift for Dad? We have the official Daily Dad Jokes podcast electronic joke button now available on Amazon. A massive 500 preloaded dad jokes guaranteed to make you laugh and groan. Check the show notes page for the link. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. This show was recorded in front of a canned studio audience.